Alright, let's say it's time I need to actually be able to edit a page. I put some content in, I need to get rid of it, or I need to add some new content to a particular page. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the page that you want to change or add content. Alright, and so let's say I want to adjust this or edit this. I'm going to come up here to the Edit Page button. And then you'll notice now it turns the top into an editing platform. So it's just like a Google document or an Excel document or Microsoft document um, where I can just come in here and I can highlight, I can bold something, I can change the font, I can come over here and I can center it, or maybe I want to, change the color. You can do all these different types of things on this particular page. But also know that there are other things you can do when you're in edit mode. So for instance, let's say I come to layout. I can choose so that rather than having just a single column going all the way down, I can do a two-column format. And by doing that, you'll notice it immediately adjusts to, I can put some stuff up here, and then I have two different columns. All right, so you can use that type of layout, or maybe there's another one, a three-column, or so I would encourage you to play around with that a little bit. You can also insert tables into your page. And over here, the insert, this is important because you can insert images, you can have links to other websites, resources that you want your students to have access to. And the other, I can do text boxes, but the other important thing that people enjoy putting in is maybe a calendar of yours, where that's where you're putting in the homework, or you want to show maybe your syllabus, but you want it viewed on the particular page rather than viewing, clicking on the link and going somewhere else. Or there's, of course, YouTube. You can embed YouTube videos. It's important to know, though, that on any particular page, you should not be embedding, um, 25 YouTube videos, because that takes up a lot of bandwidth. Or you shouldn't be embedding, 15 Google documents. All right, these are things that you're embedding a few things on a page, because what you don't want to have happen is every time a student launches a particular page, it takes a very long time to load due to all the content that was embedded on the site. All right, so you do want to keep that in mind. But there's lots you can do in terms of, and in fact, let me just do one document here. Just to show you what it looks like in terms of embedding, and we'll just choose this one. I select it. I usually choose the defaults, and so here is the particular document. I hit save, and there it is. All right, so there's lots you can do, and the student could click here and it would open up in a different window for them to view as well. Lots you can do regarding editing a particular page, but anything you ever do, you always, always, always have to hit the save button. Google Sites is not like Google Documents where it will do an auto save. So it's very important that you save anything you put in on a page. And of course, you can go in and out as many times regarding editing that page as you want.